So the equation of asymptotes is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c plus lambda equal to 0. ഇനി equation 1 എന്ന് പറയുന്ന asymptotes equation ആണ്. That means they are going to represent a pair of straight lines. Now by the condition for pair of straight lines നമ്മൾ സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡ് കോണിക്കിന്റെ ഇക്വേഷന് ഡെൽറ്റ എന്ന് പറയുന്ന എക്സ്പ്രഷൻ കണ്ടു. നമ്മൾ ഈ കോഎഫിഷ്യൻസിന്റെ വെച്ചുള്ള ഡിറ്റർമിനന്റ് എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ അത് 0 ആയിരിക്കണം. We have seen that in the classification of conic. So therefore this will represent a pair of straight lines if this determinant is equal to 0. Now here the component is c plus lambda. അപ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് ഡിറ്റർമിനന്റിന്റെ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി ഉപയോഗിച്ച് ഇതിനെ സം ആയിട്ട് എഴുതാം. So this will be determinant AHG, HBS, GFC plus lambda AH0, HB0, GF1 equal to 0. Now this is our determinant delta. So this was denoted by delta. Nammal standard conic edukkumbo this represents delta, and let us represent or denote this determinant by capital D. So we will get delta plus lambda D equal to 0. So from here lambda will be equal to minus delta by D. അപ്പോൾ ഈ lambda value substitute ചെയ്യാം. So we will get the equation of the asymptote. So the equation of the asymptote will be ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c minus delta by d equal to 0. So that is the equation of the required asymptote. And now if the conic is in the form, say you have in this form, so the asymptotes are, so if conic is represented in the form Lx plus ny plus n into L dash x plus n dash y plus n dash equal to k, then the corresponding asymptotes are given by, so instead in place of k that will be replaced by 0. So the asymptotes of this equation are given by, so we will get Lx plus ny plus n into L dash x plus n dash y plus n dash equal to 0. And similarly the equation of asymptotes of conjugate hyperbola, the equation of asymptotes of the conjugate hyperbola നമ്മുടെ ഈ നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡ് ഹൈപ്പർബോള ജനറൽ ഹൈപ്പർബോളയുടെ ഇക്വേഷൻ ആണ് കണ്ടത്. ഇതിന്റെ കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് കോൺജുഗേറ്റ് ഹൈപ്പർബോളയുടെ asymptotes എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്, so that will be ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. So we will have minus 2 delta by ab minus h square equal to 0. So that is going to be the equation of the conjugate hyperbola to the general hyperbola. Look at some rules which are connecting the asymptotes and the hyperbola. So let me take capital S to be the equation of hyperbola, S dash to be the equation of conjugate hyperbola, and A equal to 0 to be the equation of pair of asymptotes. We have seen that when you take S plus lambda will give the equation of pair of asymptotes, and lambda is a constant which is determined using the condition of pair of straight lines. അതാണ് നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ കണ്ടത്. pair of straight lines എന്ന കണ്ടീഷൻ ഉപയോഗിച്ചാണ് lambda കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുന്നത്. And similarly same way S plus lambda equal to 0 നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുന്ന പോലെ when you take a plus lambda dash for some constant lambda dash, that will give the equation of the hyperbola. So the asymptote and hyperbola, they again differ by a constant. Now the value of lambda dash can be obtained if you know a point on the hyperbola. So once you are given a point such that it passes through the hyperbola, the substitute we can find the unknown value lambda dash. And the next property is, so when you take s plus s dash, that means the sum of hyperbola and conjugate hyperbola, that will be 2 times a. So this expression, once you have s and a, this can be used to find the equation of the conjugate hyperbola. Now the asymptotes, as we have seen, they will intersect at the center of the hyperbola. And asymptotes central കൂടി pass ചെയ്യും. So that will be the point of intersection. And again, asymptotes തമ്മിലുള്ള angle, that will be bisected by the principal axis of the hyperbola. So we have seen in the case of x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. Our principal axis in the x axis and y axis ആണ്. They are going to bisect the angles between the hyperbola. So in case of any general hyperbola, the principal axis are the angle bisectors. And if the asymptotes are intersecting at right angles, in that case the hyperbola is going to be a rectangular hyperbola. So those are some facts about asymptotes and hyperbola. So let us look at a problem on finding the equation of the hyperbola. The asymptotes. Now is to find the asymptotes of the equation 2x square plus 5xy plus 2y square plus 4x plus 5y equal to 0. Now the equation of asymptotes will be in the form upper plus lambda varum equal to 0. So they will differ only by a constant. And now let us find the value of determinant. So since equation 1 represents a pair of straight lines, we determinant എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ 0 ആയിരിക്കും. So that will be a. Then here you will have h here. Then ഇവിടെ രണ്ടും g വരും. Then f will come here. And on the diagonals you will have a, b and c plus lambda. So we will get determinant 2, 5 by 2, 2. And 5 by 2, 2, 5 by 2, 2, 5 by 2 lambda equal to 0. So upon solving the determinant, we will get, so this is the simplified form. So we will get 16 minus 25 by 4 lambda plus 9 by 2 lambda equal to 0. So upon simplifying, we will get lambda equal to 2 varum. So therefore the required equation of the asymptote will be 2x square plus 5xy plus 2y square plus 4x plus 5y plus 2 equal to 0. So that's the equation of the asymptote. And the second question, you have xy minus hx minus ky equal to 0. Again, the equation of asymptote is given by xy minus hx minus ky plus lambda equal to 0. Again, determinant so we will have the determinant 0. X square and the coefficient 0 ആണ്. Then h will be 1 by 2. Then g is minus h by 2. And f is minus k by 2. And a is 0, b is 0, and in place of c we will have lambda. So any determinant in the value kandupadikka. So we will have 0 into this determinant, then minus 1 by 2 into lambda by 2 minus hk by 4 varum, then minus h by 2 into minus k by 4. So upon simplifying, we are going to get lambda equal to hk. So now we can write the equation of the asymptotes. So equation of asymptote will be xy minus hk minus ky plus hk equal to 0. Now this can be written as a product of x minus h into y minus k. So here the asymptotes will be x minus h equal to 0 and y minus k equal to 0. So you can leave the answer like this, or lines in the product ആയിട്ട് എഴുതാം. Both are correct. So that's how we find the equation of the